back to my channel. As you can see, you're back in my kitchen and I will be sharing with you how I prepare my grilled pork chops using an indoor grill. Very simple recipe, very easy. And so let's get into the video. Also, before I begin, if you are new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. And if you have been to my channel before, welcome back. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. So guys, this is the grill that I use. It is by the brand Dehlonghi. It is an indoor grill. And as you can see, I've gotten quite a bit of use out of it. And the great thing about this grill is that at the very bottom there's a silver pan. And what you do is pour water into the bottom of the pan. And then you'll place your meat on the grill. And then you'll cover the grill so that the juices, and what happens when the lid is on this grill, it will then allow the juices from the meat to marinate back into the meat while it's cooking. So all of the food that I prepare on here usually comes out very flavorful and also very juicy and tender. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to grill these pork chops, and I had a very long day today, so I was very lazy about seasoning my meat. I only used this seasoning salt that actually came from Dollar Tree, so I just thoroughly seasoned, of course, both sides of the pork chops, and I had them sitting in the refrigerator all day while I was working. And so now it is time for me to put these on the grill. And let me demonstrate for you guys my indoor grill. Okay, so I have my meat thoroughly seasoned, and I have allowed the grill to warm up, and I currently have it set to a medium heat setting, which is between 3 and 4 on the grill. And I'm just going to place my pork chops on here, and I also used a non-stick coating so that the pork chops do not stick to the grill. And you can hear that sizzling going on. And I apologize, guys, I think a glimpse of my sink appeared in the video, and you probably see some dishes that need to be tended to. But so what I do is let these pork chops cook for about 20 minutes. I do 5 minutes on each side, and like I said, I cover the grill, and it just allows the juice from the pork chops to just sort of infuse back into the meat, so the pork chops will be juicy and tender. And we'll check back a little bit later to see how the progress is. Okay, they've already cooked for about 5 minutes on one side, and I'm going to flip them over to let the other side cook for about 5 minutes. And I just keep flipping them every 5 minutes until they've cooked for about maybe 25 minutes total, just depending. But you want to make sure that you flip them over every 5 minutes. And you see there those grill marks, so you still have that feel as if you're using an outdoor grill. And I'm just going to continue to let them finish doing their thing. So guys, here we are 25 minutes later, and we have some beautiful looking pork chops. 25 minutes, and all I did was rotate them every 5 minutes. You have that really nice grilled look with the lines, and all you have to do is plate them at your favorite side and maybe your favorite beverage, and you'll have a lovely meal. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and be blessed.